How to disable HDR video playback on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, click on three lines at the top right, which will lead you to this page. In here, simply scroll down and click on Data Uses and Media Quality. After that, in here you will find an option which is Disable HDR Video Playback. Simply turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. After you do that, HDR Video Playback will be disabled. This is how to disable HDR Video Playback on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.